Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping the skin so foundation behaves predictably. Cleanse, hydrate, and use a light primer. Next, test shades along your jawline in natural light to see how they blend with both face and neck. Once you determine your undertone, cool means pink, warm means yellow, neutral mixes both, you can choose a base shade close to that result. This early accuracy prevents layered corrections later and saves product. Make sure to view in daylight before picking. Now use color theory to correct mismatches. If the foundation reads too pink, add a tiny dab of yellow or warm-toned foundation. If it looks sallow or yellow, introduce a small amount of pink or peach. For visible redness, use a green corrector sparingly under the base. Mix on the back of your hand or a palette to test. Once the swatch matches your jawline, you're ready. This hands-on mixing lets you tweak undertone and depth precisely before applying broadly. Finish by applying foundation in thin layers, working from the center outward, and blending into hairline and neck with your preferred tool for seamless edges. Once blended, set the look with a light dusting of translucent powder or a setting spray to meld pigments and prevent shifting. If you notice a color cast later, use a sheer glaze of the opposite tone, tiny amounts, over problem areas and diffuse immediately. If patchiness appears, dampen a sponge and lightly bounce to rework the finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.